Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at KAVA on a weekly time frame, and the first thing I want to point out is the 21 EMA touching into the 55 and rejecting, and we're getting this hard selling action off the 382 fib, which is $4.29. I am going to say that that is the first level of resistance if we do get a reprieve bounce off the middle of the Bollinger Band. More than likely, we are going to take the rest of this week and test into this 100 EMA. And that is if we lose this middle of the Bollinger Band, and the 100 EMA is at $3.50. If we can't get supported by that, we have this 236 fib at $3.09.5, and losing that, we have the bottom of the Bollinger Band at $2.51, as well as this $1.97 as a last layer of support before trying to make all-time new lows for the time being. It's not going to be an all-time new low, but the all-time new low is going to get tested is basically what it looks like if we lose these lower fibs. If you look at it on a long-term time frame, it looks like a broadening wedge. These formations don't really matter, but it is trying to stay in this range, it looks like. And we can follow back up on it on a weekly and see if that broadening wedge is going to play out. Once we lose this lower structure, you're going to have a measured move. And this, I mean, I don't know how low this asset can go, but I mean, it can attest its all-time lows and could go lower than that, basically. So keep that in mind on a weekly. As of right now, nothing has happened. We are testing this little consolidation range area, but until it's broken, we should not assume anything. And it should be really like that wide of a range. So we have room to the downside, and we can find some support on this 236, and it would make sense because we have touches in this range. So let's go to the daily and zoom in a little more. On a daily time frame, we did reject off the 21 EMA in the middle of the Bollinger Band. We lost the 100, and now we are looking for some support on this low, as well as the bottom of the Bollinger Band, which is $3.67. Today, in about 30 minutes, don't know how this is going to close, but it looks like the selling pressure is on. We need the selling to stop so the buys can continue to the upside. As of right now, we might find a reprieve bounce from this level, but we're going to have hard resistance at $4.29, as well as the middle of the Bollinger Band at $4.58. And then we can see if we can have 4-hour open and closes or a daily open and close in that area to see for some upside movement into this. But as of right now, it looks like the least resistant path is to the downside. I'm going to go to the 4-hour and zoom in even more because this daily close is coming in at us very, very hot. Let's see if we can see how the next 4-hour candle will open after the daily. If this 4-hour in the next 29 minutes gets up to this 21 EMA at $4.18, I won't be surprised, but it more than likely will get rejected from there and then start trickling back down and then retest those lows, and $3.17 is where I would be looking for the first layer of resistance to the downside for a reprieve bounce. Even if we get to this area up here, we have all these EMAs to reject us back down, and then if we can find support and go sideways on the this EMA around $4.29, then I can expect a retest into the higher EMA, which was higher fib at $5.20, and then get rejected, and then look for some sideways consolidation before we try to re-break into these highs again. Okay, due to the fact that these highs right here is going to be a lot of resistance to break above. But if we do break above that, we have the golden pocket for all the people who are waiting to take a short to short at, to bring it right back down and see if the 0.5 can provide support or not. If this asset is bullish, it'll provide support and bring it up. If it's bearish, it's going to just trickle down, and it will even break it down even harder, like we saw in Bitcoin and Ethereum today. So keep that in mind, guys. This is KAVA on a 4-hour. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the section below and I'll get back to you ASAP. If there are any other assets you would like me to cover, just let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Aside from that, please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell button for notifications so you get these real-time updates so I can get you this info and you guys can defend or add to your position as needed. Thank you so much for spending the time to listen to me. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.